Hello, second graders. This is Mrs. Anderson, and I'm going to walk you through the teaching and learning slides for Wednesday, November 25th, 2020. This is an asynchronous day, which means you get to learn at your own pace, but you still are expected to complete work today. All of the second grade teachers want you to have a really good day. We want you to have a really good weekend. If you're celebrating Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. Today for learning, you will need a pencil and a notebook all day, both morning and afternoon. For literacy this morning, you will listen to some November themed stories. On the next slide, you can click on the books to hear the story. When you are done, you need to go to Seesaw Activities to do the activity called November Virtual Library. You can also click on the links within the Seesaw activity if you would prefer to do that. So here are all of the books, and you can see there. It looks like there's a book about veterans. There are books about turkeys and Thanksgiving. If you want to listen to Balloons Over Broadway, you could listen to that one again. I just listened to this book for the first time, and it's very, very sweet. So there are also books about being kind and being helpful. So be sure to check out those books. Then, when you are done with that seesaw activity, and let me just show you what that seesaw activity looks like. Here is the November Virtual Library Seesaw activity. It says choose a book or two or three to listen to. When you are done listening, pick one of the books to complete the listening response page. Use the label, the pencil, or the microphone tools to complete the page. Okay, so that's that activity. Then the next activity is the Raz Kids Reading Room, which we did on Tuesday as well. So if you need to review how to do the activity, you can watch this video here and you can see that it becomes live. And then you're going to go to your Seesaw activities and complete the Raz Kids Reading Room assignment. So it's just like what we did on Tuesday. You're going to go to Raz Kids, go to your reading room, read for 20-ish minutes, and that can count for your read to self minutes for today, and then do your seesaw activity. And once again, this is what that seesaw activity looks like. Okay, so then what you'll do next is for writing, we want you to think about what you are thankful for. This time of year.
Hi, second graders. This is Mrs. Anderson, and I'm going to record.
Oops, that was a mistake. I'm going to go to the next slide. So this time of year, we are thinking about things we are thankful for. You will have a seesaw activity assigned, and you will write and draw about things that you are thankful for. You need to write in sentences to tell us about what you are thankful for and why. So let me click over to that activity in Seesaw. So it says, click add a response to start a new book. Use the label tool and the pencil to complete each page of the book. Use the microphone to record yourself reading the entire book. And second graders, it looks like a lot, but for example, on the first page, you're going to put your name. On the second page, it says, I am thankful for my home. Draw a picture of your home. On the next page, it says, these are the things I like about my home. I am thankful for my food. Draw a picture of your favorite food. These are the things I like to eat. And that's where you would use that label tool to write about what you like to eat. I am thankful for my family. Draw a picture of your family. These are the things I love about my family. And that's where you would use the label tool to tell us about your family. Other reasons I am thankful. So second graders, that is in your Seesaw activities as well. and you are writing, drawing, and recording. So 3 parts. Then you have a break for lunch and recess, and there is no read aloud. On Wednesday here, all classes for specialists have a choice board, okay? So remember, no read aloud, but you have a choice board for specialists. After you're done with specialists, you're going to do your IXL math activities for today. So you are going to go to this website, and your assignment is to log in to IXL, complete the starred activities, and we're talking about place value, tens and ones. So you will do the starred activities as recommended by your teacher. Now remember, if you don't know what to do and how to get into IXL and how to do those starred activities, this is a video that you can watch that Mrs. Corbell made. And I'll show you. Here is your IXL practice for today. And this is another seesaw activity. Then to round out our day, we would like you to do a feelings checkout and talk about zones of regulation and how you are feeling about your day. So second graders, like I said, this is your day to work at your own pace. Now, it would also be a really good idea to get any other assignments that you haven't finished so that you can enjoy the long weekend and not be bothered thinking about work that you have to do. So remember, when we assign you activities, we expect you to complete them. So use your time on Wednesday to complete all of your assignments. Second graders, we will see you on Monday, November 30th. It's the last day of November, and that's when we will see you all again at morning meeting. Okay, so have a really good weekend. Take care. Be safe. And do a little relaxing if you can after you get your work all done. Thanks, everybody. Have a good weekend.